never heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test me?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Hello everyone, so right now we are at the Holocaust Museum, and we do want to say that IK and I really feel that our audience and everyone who has ever heard of the Holocaust Museum really should come down here and take a second to, just realize what was happening back then and how horrible and heartbreaking it was, and just to hope that it doesn't happen like that again in the new upcoming generations that are upon us. We just watched a movie in the Holocaust Museum, which we would really encourage you guys to go see. It's very sad.
It's very powerful and heartbreaking to see that all of this happened in that span of time and during the war.
Yeah, and it's very, like IK said, it's very, very sad. But I like how the gentleman at the end of the movie, he was talking about how he built this place, the Holocaust Museum, to bring what one human can do to another human and hope that this never ever happens again. And we really hope the same thing, and he said this is bringing awareness so that we can learn from the past and not repeat it in the future, which is the great thing about museums. Museums teach you what happened in the past and to think about it and really see what other people were thinking and what mistakes they made to learn from it as a whole.
Because what he said in the movie, which is really powerful, and one of his main sayings around the museum, is that you have to embrace ideals, challenge reality, and participate in change. Yeah. Look at all of the exhibits in this museum. It's really like you're walking through the shoes of the Jews that were going through the camps and going through everything at the time of the war.
Which is a horrible thing. So, like we've been saying this whole episode, we do really hope that you guys do get the chance to stop by the Holocaust Museum and especially go see the movie, because that's their main attraction. They have it on every floor. And yes, go see the exhibits too, because we want to open your eyes so that you're just not sticking back into the same thing that happened in the past. And we really encourage you guys to come out here. So we're going to keep it short and sweet for this Rose and Gold, and let's close it out.
We'll see you guys on the next episode, but Kylie Jenner, we'll see you in LA on the next week.
And this right here is directly off the website of the Holocaust Museum. Make sure to read about the mission that they have and that they're starting with this museum.